Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials. You're an admin of the Facebook page and you control the Instagram account. Once done, make sure both mobile apps or desktop browsers are updated because old versions block linking. Now go straight to your Facebook page, open Settings, and select Instagram from the left menu. This is the first actionable step. Click Connect Account because connecting here creates the bridge that lets you manage Instagram from Facebook and share content seamlessly. You'll now authenticate. Enter your Instagram username and password and approve requested permissions. Make sure you select the correct Instagram profile. Business or creator is preferred for full features. Convert a personal account if needed. After authentication, confirm which Facebook page and business manager will manage the account. Once accepted, assign page roles or business manager permissions so team members can post and view insights. These steps ensure the connection is secure and that the right people retain access for publishing and analytics. Finish by verifying the connection inside the Instagram app. Go to Settings, Account Center, or Linked Accounts and confirm your Facebook page appears. Once confirmed, enable cross-posting and sharing options, then publish a simple test post or story to check captions, tags, and previews. If something fails, don't panic. Log out of both apps, clear cached sessions, then log back in and reauthorize from the Facebook page or Account Center. If problems persist, remove the link and repeat the authorization step to reset permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.